sign up. Well, you know how much I love you and I'm so proud of you, you know that. And bisagikan ko Cebu. I'm always here for you, you know that, diba? So, just enjoy your day and I love you so much.
Ayan, happy birthday. Alam mo kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi to lalambot. Alam mo yan. Kaya maraming salamat sa'yo and sana maging blessing ka pa sa ibang tao and i-bless ka pa ni Lord. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ayan, Riri, happy birthday. Sobrang thankful ako kasi naging magkaibigan tayo and winelcome niya talaga ako dito. Pina-feel niya sa akin na hindi ako ma-OP and lagi niya akong sinasama every time na meron kaming pulong-pulong and happy birthday, Riri. I'm so proud of you.
Hello, Riri. Thank you for inviting me and also my team officials. Actually, guys, nung pumunta kami dito, unang in-invite kami ni Sir Manix, si Riri talaga yung walang hiyang lumapit sa amin. I mean, siya yung talagang unang nag-welcome sa amin. So, thankful ako with Drea, Chona, Light. Pero si Riri talaga, pinakitaan niya kami talaga ng sobrang welcome kami dito. Thank you, Riri. I hope na mas maging bongga pang yung career and more pera this year and next year. Thank you.
Back into the beat.